suffice to say, if you have a Canadian passport and you were looking for points in this round, ain't gonna happen.
Hey, I'm Zach. And I'm Will. And we're Team Awesome Duo. Here we are at the 42nd Cleveland International Film Festival, where Tripped Up, a documentary about our experiences on Competitours in 2015, is being premiered. And here's a behind-the-scenes look. Now that's what I call a reunion. Check it out, that's us. That totally looks like me, right?
No, this one. The one
Maybe that one. Maybe this guy. I don't know. Tripped up, guys. Well,
Awesome out here in the video. Oh. It's like one of those. Like...
Welcome to the pre-screening dinner.
Are we on video?
Yeah, we're on video. So of course, being Competitours and Steve, we get a brand new challenge. The race actually hasn't ended since 2015. We just didn't know.
There should be a pencil or a pen and a piece of paper in your bag. It's a simple question, and you can mull it over dinner. This is the question. June 25th, 2018, 11:15 a.m. is the beginning of Competitours 2018. What I want to know is, since you guys already know how I think, or so you think, where are we going? And here's your clue. The clue is as follows. It's an iconic TV commercial. It has something to do, the TV commercial has something to do with food. Go. Enjoy your meal. I wanted to make sure it works.
So it covers all of our generations.
It covers all 8 of the generations here.
Okay, so we have to focus on it has to be Europe. So it's like a European, but it's food related.
You have to work it backwards. How many of those food commercials can you think of?
I'm just so terrible at like, maybe not necessarily the place where it is in the footage, but like the company is very clearly from a certain company.
Yeah.
This particular kind of food actually tastes pretty sweet. Are you even in the ballpark here or not?
Is there anything like from your childhood where like, oh, I remember that like...
Our friends from Toronto, the Awesome Duo, and this was an awesomely bad guess. Our friends from Cleveland and Los Angeles, okay? We've been to Zurich, been there, done that. See ya. In from southern central Texas. We have a winner of the most creative. I didn't know they had 2 headquarters, but neither of these headquarters are going to get you. Team Triple Crown. We are not making fun. We have a team in here from Utah. So as you can see, this geographically challenged group really struggled in 2015. The last guess is from the team that actually finished in first place. And it's time to give the right answer. The answer is this. My mom, Fran, and her colleagues and co-producers Laura and Rob were responsible for tonight's premiere, and I just happened to be in the movie. And the only thing I want to say is this. I met somebody who knows me a couple days ago, and he had this huge batch of medium rare chocolate chip cookies. And he said to me, you know, my mom makes the best chocolate chip cookies in the world. And I said, wow, that's pretty cool. So he said to me, what does your mom make? So I said, well, my mom makes full-length, film festival quality, professionally shot. And he said, Steve, I guess your mother isn't so good at baking, is she? That's what I want to say. Congratulations, good luck.
Well, I just would like to thank Laura and Bob, who spent 2 years editing this film. And when you see what they have done, you're not going to believe it. So thank you to all of you.
I am so blown away that everyone's here that came in, and I'm excited, and you guys are all friends and family to me, and Fran has been wonderful to work with. And she said it's either going to make our relationship or break it, and I think we're okay, so this is good. And I want to thank everybody. Bob is the man. He was in the trenches with me every day in our editing studio.
I just want to say, if the movie's bad, don't tell me. No, thanks everybody for coming. This has been a labor of love, truly. Fran, you've been great to work with. Laura, obviously. But yeah, no, I'm excited everybody's here. I'm glad we could all do this together. It's been a journey that you guys were a part of at the beginning, but I feel like we've been on this journey together. You just didn't know it. So thank you to all the teams that came in. Everybody else is going to be joining us later, so thank you.
We're going inside.
Nervous? Excited? No autograph?
I can't believe it's starting. I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope none of that bad stuff that we said makes it in the film. The film's about to begin.
Please turn off your cell phones and don't be a Susie seat kicker.
Tripped Up, world premiere. We have Laura and Bob Reiland here. Laura and Bob.
Thanks, Bill. Hi, everyone. I'm really excited that all of you are here and that you braved all the traffic and the crazy mess that's out there, but we're glad you're here. And we're not going to say much, but we are so blessed to be here today. And Bob Reiland, if he wants to, he's my right-hand man. If he wants to say anything, he's welcome to. But right now, we just want you to enjoy the film, and we'll talk to you after the movie, and we're going to have a Q&A, so we'll see you later.
It's good they show on the road.
Well, it was me and Bob. Hey. Wow. Yeah. And I know, a lot of Will's footage appears in this because he filmed the entire thing. So this is Will. And he does this for a living now, right? You quit your job, so that bio is incorrect now because he just recently quit his job and is doing travel vlogging, and it's more than blogging. It's a travel profession. He's doing it full time now.
I'll just add to that the gelato scene where these guys really mess up gelato. When we first saw that, and I did most of the music for the film and worked with Dave at my place to finish the audio post too. But that was like one of those moments where the camera's moving around and they're trying to figure out what went wrong. And I remember like the second or third time I saw the film just going like, it kind of reads like a horror film. So Dave and I at 3 in the morning one night were miking up an old out-of-tune piano and beating on it with our fists and everything and turning it into this kind of horror movie sequence. So things like that happen after the fact, and like the audience feels it as something, but you may not always know like there's a whole crew working on that side of things to make you believe that this felt like something.
So for me, I found out a line about Competitours. Sam and I, we've been fans of Amazing Race for a really, really long time, and we actually applied for Amazing Race.
Yeah, we filmed an audition video for...
We did, yeah. We didn't get it, unfortunately. And so when I found out about it, it was just like, this was perfect. I told Steve I fell out of my chair once I found out about Competitours, and so I contacted Sam immediately. I said, we got to do this, and I'm so glad that we did.
It's obviously the best movie ever made. Funnier than I thought, and I think everyone loved it, so that's good.
We've been keeping in touch all these years through email. It feels like we haven't aged a day, and we're all still kind of doing our thing, and we're all the same people. To be able to talk about the same type of things and have all those shared experiences, and have those strong ties, I think is truly special. So we had an amazing time tonight at the premiere of Tripped Up. I still can't believe we got to see us on the big screen. Definitely not as cringeworthy as I thought.
Not at all. I look great. I don't know about you.
We did look pretty sharp. Some really good, commentary all the way throughout.
Good feedback, generally. Yeah.
Definitely. And it was crazy that the after party people were coming to us, basically wanting to chat to us about the film experience and all that good stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this inside look into what it was like to be on the premiere of Tripped Up. I hope you guys get to see this soon, but this is Team Awesome Duo signing out for the last time. Felt like I was doing it all over again with Sam. I mean, from the highs to the lows, and a lot of the funny moments, some of the moments that we didn't even get to experience because we weren't there.